Hi everybody, it's Sam at Mixed Up Craft. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. This is the Hobbybase February box, so I'm going to show you what's inside this month's box. Really excited, and then tutorials will follow afterwards. So let's open the box. So you get your inspiration leaflet at the beginning. So this one is called Love is in the Air. Obviously it's the month of February, so we have Valentine's Day. And then inside we have wonderful inspiration cards that have been created by Angela Dodson, who is the head designer for the Hobbybase Club. So she gives you all ones here, it tells you exactly what you need to make it, which will all be inside, and then there's another one on the back. So there's always 3 cards there. She always shares them on the Hobbybase Club Facebook group as well, which is exclusive just to the subscribers. So it's another place for all the inspiration, and it's also where I will share further designs as well. So inside, let's see what we have. It's always like Christmas, I love doing this. Okay, so we've got a 2-meter pink ribbon, and it's got little hearts on it, so that's nice. We've got this stamp set here, Crafty Impressions. This is a clear stamp set. Oh, they're really nice. Hugs and Kisses, Forever Yours, especially for you. Oh, I like that one. It's like all linked up, like joined up writing with hearts, and it says love you. I really like that. Lovely big one in the middle. The Love Bug, that's going to be nice. And then these are like kind of sketched, coloured in ones. Oh, that's a really nice set. I like that one. Okay, so that's the stamp set. Then we have a stencil. Yep, Creative Expressions stencil, Arty Hearts. That'd be nice. I do like stencils. We get Hobbybase die. So this is the birdcage die. I've used this in lots of tutorials now, and over on the Facebook Lives that I do, I show this one. That's good. Oh, I like them. Some sparkly heart embellishments there. And then we've got an embossing folder. Oh, that's good. Let's have a look at this one. I need to get them out. Oh, so it's just lots of hearts. It's still really cold where the postman's brought it in. It's freezing at the moment in the UK. And so this is just hearts with like little dots next to it. That's really nice. I like that. Pop that one back in. And then, oh, we've got quite a lot. This is a good one. Well, they're all good, but this is, you've got some Versamark. So we've obviously got, yeah, we've got embossing powder. So this is, oh, champagne colour. I don't have champagne, so that's the Wow embossing powder. Oh, I like that colour. That would be really nice. And we've got a little dauber. I like these. Little handy ones there. And we've got a Memento Rosebud. So again, they literally give you all the tools. So if you get your dauber for your ink, it's really good. And then papers. So we've got here this pretty butterfly. We've got another butterfly. We've got that nice stripy one. We've got another floral one, pretty polka dot, rose, hearts, more butterflies, and that kind of square and polka dot, and that one there. They're really pretty. So you've got a real variety there. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sheets of 6x6 there. So that's lots. We do some really nice bits. And then these, I think, will be all of our card bases. So we've got envelopes. We've got a 6x6. That looks like a, I'd say 5x7. And then, oh, we've got a window, gatefold card actually, sorry. That's nice as well. So we've got a nice gatefold. So we've got 3 card bases, obviously for the inspiration of the 3 cards that Angela does. But you can obviously do more things, which is what I'll be doing as well with this card here. And yeah, that's a really nice box. So that is February's box. You can subscribe to each month as the months go. So it's not, there's no obligation to stay, there's no contract or anything. You can literally just dip in and out of it. So for March's box, you've got until the 21st of February. So again, I'll share all those links below if you are interested to sign up. And oh, I'm looking forward to get cracking now and make some nice things. So stay tuned. I will be uploading some videos very soon with some lovely projects using the items from the February kit. So I hope you like this quick little video, just showing you what's inside. Stay tuned, hit thumbs up, subscribe so you get to see more, and I will be back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.